Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. I am showing you an outfit, casual Christmas outfit, and I'll let you know where we're going. Welcome, lovelies. So I'm completely decked out in Osainku, this fantastic line from Greece. We love it so much because of the fabrics, the unique designs, and the feel of it. Everything feels like you just don't want to take it off, really. I am going to making an urn, Christmas urn, at the watering can. Now, Tessa has been there before last week with her tennis friends. It's a huge amount of fun. You get a few girlfriends together, or one, or your daughter, or your sister, and you have to book quite a ways in advance. So you might be too late now, but they do one for Easter, they do one for Mother's Day. They really have it all, Thanksgiving, fall, they have it all through the year. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm gonna tell you about my outfit. So they have the watering can in Vineland. It's an institution now, and every one of you lovelies that comes to the store from afar and ask us where can we go for lunch or coffee, we send you to the watering can because it is an amazing experience. So they have a cafe right in the middle of this humongous greenhouse. The food, first of all, is fabulous. They have an amazing baker. The pastries are like big and delicious and scrumptious, and they've got great soups and lunches and the whole thing. Great coffee too. And everywhere you look, it's like, oh, there's an old airplane hanging here. There are 50 teapots hanging off the ceiling. It's so eclectic and funky. You get so inspired. And then, of course, the merchandise is right now for Christmas. They've got everything under the sun. And the plants and the flowers and the little doodahs and the Christmas tree ornaments and you name it. Anyway, then aside from the greenhouse, in the back of the property, they have got 3 or 4 buildings, outdoor buildings, and they are dedicated to making these arrangements, urns, what have you. You go, you pay, and then you can pick out your urn, and your greenery is all there for you. And they literally tell you how to make an urn, and you take it home with you. And then afterwards you can go in and have a coffee or... So yeah, I'm excited. Tessa was excited when she came back, and I'm excited to go today. So this is a casual outfit, and I wore it on purpose because the greenhouse is like tropical. It's like you have to take your coat off. It's like you're in the tropics. It's such a nice feeling to go there in the winter time when it's cold outside. But in the buildings where you do your arranging of your, in this case, the urn, Christmas urn, it's cool. So you need to dress a little warmer. So I'm having the Osainku pants, the jersey. It's an amazing fabric. It's a ponte. We have them in black and gray. I love the looks of them. And I have my booties on with my warm socks, and then this awesome top, which is a viscose acrylic blend, so it's very cozy. It's not a heavy knit, but it's a fine knit. I love the print of it. I love the design. All these lines are so flattering, and the seams, they picked up the seams and brought them to the outside, so it stands out a little. Love the length. It's a little A-line. Love the neckline. What is there not to love? The jewelry I chose was Suriklio, ring, bracelet, but these amazing earrings from liquid metal, light as a feather, and the black picks up the black in the top. And the other color is the paprika. What a cute word, paprika. Anyway, it's beautiful. And then this is the tunic that is of the same fabric, and also lovely. It's like, gives you more room, right? It's a little longer, more coverage. And also in the paprika. And then we have the black pants, and we have this amazing skirt that I have been eyeing a lot, actually. And I did a video on it, and it felt so good on, and it's just, yeah, it's amazing. Also comes in the chocolate brown. Hope you liked this video, you got inspired, and I'm off to the watering can. Okay, keep on smiling.